Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to create Laravel 8 autocomplete form. So basically, I have here one input, and inside the input, we can fetch the data like search box, auto suggestion search box. Like suppose if you want to search something, you can type here like this one. So we have the multiple data inside the database. Let me show you. This is our database. We have the student's name table, and inside of the student table, we have the multiple uh, name field basically with multiple data. Suppose you want to something like this one, duration something, so just try it here. We get the data, the duration. Okay, so we have the options to, we can write any particular character, then we can get the result something. So such kind of functionality I have done. You can check out on like Google also have the autocomplete suggestions like these features. We are going to discuss about how to create that. Okay, so hope so I am expecting from you guys, you know how to install Laravel. If you don't know how to install Laravel, please watch my previous video, how routes working in Laravel, and how to create a model, how to create a controller. I'm not going to discuss about this steps. So hope so if you don't know, also please watch my previous video. Okay, so I have discussed about. So here the some basic command I have written here. So you can create a controller by using this one. You can configure from the database, like let me show you. We have already we have installed, so you can set up the new database from .env files. Also once you install the once you created the once you created the controller something, so we get the controller inside the controllers folder. Look, we have the controllers files here, and inside the controllers we have already here two functions, which is the index. So we are using index functions to reload the page, reload calling the page basically. We are returning view basically from here. So we get the view from this particular function. So once view get we get the here search.blade.php we have. And also we are using here three kind of, we have using bootstrap, we are using jQuery, and also we are using type head scripts. Okay, so inside the type head script, let me scroll down. Here we are using the bootstrap jumbo box, and this is the important things I'm going to discuss with you. We have the type head something. Once type head class something, if any heading, then we're calling this particular path, which is the autocomplete basically URL. Okay, so this URL present in web.php, which is inside of the routes web.php. Let me show you. We have the controller which name is search controller, and hope so you already aware about the how to call controller from routes. If you don't know, please watch my previous video, I have already uploaded. So here we if anyone hitting the search, then we calling this particular controller and functions. We have the functions, we loading the function. Again, if anyone hitting the form something, then we calling this particular functions. We have the autocomplete. Let me show you. We have this function. So now let me, so once we get the data, we printing here something. So this kind of functionality I have done. If you want this particular code how to this is working, so you can check out from my GitHub repository. I have already uploaded here. You can check Laravel 8 autocomplete. Also, if you want to learn more about this, you can check out from my blog. I have written step by step everything how to create a autocomplete suggestion box. So if you have any doubt, please guys put your comment below. So I will create a step by step how. If you have any kind of issue, so I will create separate video. You can check out from my video also. Please, if you have not subscribed my channels, please subscribe first and continue watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.